Can I use regular paper as a solder stencil to solder this IC onto the PCB instead of these expensive stencils? Let's find out. First, I'll cut the mask to match the IC pins. The stencil is ready. Now placing it on the PCB and applying solder paste. The paste is transferred onto the PCB. Now, time to place the IC. I am setting the hot air gun to 300 degrees Celsius. Now I am blowing the hot air evenly onto the solder paste from all the sides. You can see the paste started melting and turning into shiny metal. And that's it, our IC is soldered.